Okay. Okay, run that central meridian. Beneath the pain that feels so very, very real, your spirit is still at play, blissfully free and unaffected by the dramas of the world. Life is good, life is good, life is good. Beneath the pain that feels so very real, your spirit is still at play, blissfully free, and is unaffected by the dramas of the world. Yeah, okay. So heart chakra, sternum, and that little joint up in there, that's where three bones connect. It's our little soft spot from when we're born. Okay, so fear, threat, danger. So pain can stop us connecting with our spirit. Pain can stop us from connecting with other humans. It's been proven, and this was something with Zach Bush this morning. He was saying that they've proven that a 30-second hug helps to reduce the incidence of upper respiratory diseases. Interesting. Good old hugging. It improves our microbiome, it improves our immunity, it improves our health and happiness. Okay, fear, threat, danger, release that fear, threat, danger. Allow our spirit to be happy. Allow our collective spirit to feel playful and free. Okay, so that frontal cortex, that little area, you know, the HPA, the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, that little area that controls all of our feel-good hormones, our sleep hormones, our energy hormones. Need to wake it up, wake it up, wake it up, and allow ourselves to live in the present instead of being in this part of the brain where we're living in fear and anger and frustration and survival. That's the area where we get frustrated and want to blame people and guilt people. This is the area that allows us to be happy and free and playful and loving and kind and graceful. And there's some pain and punishment in there. So once again, we've been chatting. We know that whatever decision we make, that's good and done. But moving forward is a different thing. We want to be on a planet where there's lots of love and happiness and care and peace and grace within relationships. We know that doesn't work for the agenda. The agenda is to keep people divided. We don't want that. We don't want that. It's not a fun place to be. Where do we need to go? Reticular activating system. Okay, here we go. Okay, so low serotonin. Okay, so once again, beneath the pain that feels so very real, your spirit is still at play, blissfully free and unaffected by the dramas of the world. Release the pain. Allow that energy to feel blissfully free and unaffected by the dramas of the world. The dramas of the power at the top, the dramas of the media, the dramas of the news cycle. It doesn't allow us to be happy. That's not the aim. Beautiful. Okay, right. Remember we did the integration section the other day, so I'm going to Broca seems okay. Yep. So next one's Wernicke's. Yeah. So that's the thoughts. So the thoughts behind the words are struggling. Because it's that whole, well, how can I feel blissfully free when all of this is going on around me? How can I feel playful in my day? How can I move forward with ease and grace and love when everything's so crazy? You know how you do it? You choose to do it. You choose to do it. You choose happiness. You choose freedom. You choose love. You choose life. You just do it. And the fear that's in there, that's trying to make us pay attention to all the little rules and challenges, that's fear-based, and it's guilt-based, and it's shame-based. That's better. Okay, could do the next one as well, the auditory integration points. So that's the stuff you're listening to. That's the stuff you're saying to yourself. It's the stuff that we have playing over and over and over in our minds that we don't get out. You get home and, you were grumpy with someone, or you said something, or you're thinking from 2 weeks ago something you said, or a memory comes back from someone you said to 20 years ago. It all goes round and round in your head. Is it making you happy in this moment? Is it making you happy in this moment? If it's not, we need to forgive ourselves for whatever it is. We need to forgive ourselves. Let it go. Let it go. In that moment, could you have done anything different? And in that moment, would you have done something different? We usually do the best we can in the moment. Beautiful. Okay. No, it's okay. Run that central meridian, anti-clockwise over the heart. Beneath the pain that feels so real, your spirit is still at play, blissfully free and unaffected by the dramas of the world. Sadness, despondency, depression. Okay, so that's the anterior right. So that's low serotonin, allowing the frontal cortex to shut down, which allows that subconscious, unconscious part of the brain to be in control. And that's where things like the Wim Hof breathing can really bring you back to the present. Coming back to the present and allowing yourself to think forwards. It's hard to do goals at the moment, but not impossible. Maybe your goals is taking up guitar, or planting a garden, or growing some trees, or nourishing some family members. Learning how to do a new skill. There's stuff we can do at the moment that allow us to have a fuller, more vibrant, happy, healthy life. It's just choosing your spirit, remembering that you're still free, remembering that you are sovereign. You choose your health, you choose your life, you choose your vibrancy, your level of vibrancy on the planet. Raise that vibration, raise that vibration. Fantastic. Okay, beautiful souls, all 15,000 of you. Love you heaps. Take care. Bye.